SmileFy is a platform that works on iPhone, iPad, and iMac, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro devices. You can use all devices for every single features. For the beginners, it is very important when we have a patient coming into the office, we need a tool to motivate the patient for an aesthetic treatment. How can we motivate the patient for an aesthetic treatment in 1 minute using the 2D smile simulation technology powered by AI? We have a picture. As you can see, there is automatically a facial analysis of the picture. The smile frame is calculated automatically based on the position of the teeth, lips, facial proportions, facial harmony. We do have a lot of scientific papers integrated in SmileFy. In this case, that's the facial flow, so that we analyze the facial harmony of the patient and know the interpupillar line, the commissural line, and the chin, the midline, glabella, tip of the nose, philtrum, how the face is divided, and in which direction the face goes, in which direction the chin goes, so that we can calculate and design a smile that is very, very in harmony with the face. You can, of course, change the height of the smile frame of your smile. You can change the ratio of the smile. If the calculation is good enough and you like it, you just click on the button Smile Simulation and we calculate 4 different designs. The difference for these designs are, we do have one version open embrasures, we do have closed embrasures, we have triangular shapes, and we have mixed shapes. If the patient says, I like round shapes, then you can select one version that you like, and from here we can go and adjust, if needed, the smile. And in this step we need to get two important information from the patient. So we have 2 questions for the patient. Do you like the shapes? Round, triangular, oval? What do you like? I like the shapes. Okay. One of the most important and very powerful features in the smile harmony is called smile dominance. You can have a monotonic smile where you can see that the laterals are on the new smile curve. They lie on the new smile curve, right? We redefined with our smile frame the smile curve, following a little bit the lower lip, the roundness of the lower lip. The laterals now touch the new smile curve, or we add some dominance to the smile like this, and that changes the complete smile, right? She is more edgy, she is more, it's a sign of youth. The dominance of the smile can change the harmony, can change a lot of the appearance of the patient. If the patient says, I like the dominance, maybe too much, but we can reduce the dominance like 50%, that's good, I like it. Now we have the most important information. Patient likes oval shapes, patient likes 50% dominance. That's it. That's the 2D smile design. We do have options to click on a tooth, move the tooth around, change the size, change the width, the height, whatever it is. It doesn't matter, because this kind of smile is motivational and has no clinical value. The patient is motivated. I spend 1, 2, 3 minutes in a discussion with the patient to show the advantage of an aesthetic treatment. Now the patient is motivated. I can share with my patient the picture before and after. By just clicking on the slider. And then I can also show my patient the before and after picture, and that's it. Patient is motivated. Patient wants to know more about the aesthetic treatment. That's good enough for us. We start the discussion with the treatment. We can do the scan, the intraoral scan, we can do the CBCT, we can do the facial scan, whatever files do you have. And then we add all these files, the digital records, to the patient documentation, and we create the digital patient. So the 2D smile simulation is done.